Let Garmin show you how to use the features of the Garmin Spy Pole. For this video, you will need the Garmin Spy Pole mounted on the gunnel or your Garmin Force or Force Pro trolling motor. You will need the GT360UHD transducer installed on your Spy Pole. Some features shown in this video have certain requirements to operate the Spy Pole to full functionality. Calibration is required of all components of the Spy Pole. For this video, we will be operating the Spy Pole on a Garmin Force Pro trolling motor with the GT360 mounted on the bottom shaft and the LVS34 on the side shaft of the Spy Pole. Features like SpyLink will not be shown when the Spy Pole is mounted on the gunnel mount. The Garmin Spy Pole has many intuitive controls for live scope when optionally bundled with our new 3D scanning transducer. First, we will cover the SpyLink feature. You must pair the Force trolling motor to the Spy Pole directly. Your Force trolling motor must also be calibrated for full functionality for SpyLink to work. SpyLink creates a link between the Garmin trolling motor and Spy Pole. This feature enables the Spy Pole to lock on the same heading as the trolling motor. Direction control of the Spy Pole occurs directly from the Garmin Force trolling motor foot pedal when SpyLink is active and in anchor lock. The next feature we will cover is SpyLock. SpyLock requires heading data from a calibrated heading sensor. This can be the Spy heading sensor connected to the Spy Pole or a NMEA 2000 heading source from the chart plotter network. GPS data and device positions are set for all sources on the network. The LVS transducer is assigned to the Spy Pole on the marine network. SpyLock is a target locking feature that allows the Spy Pole to turn your transducer view automatically to keep a particular point or area in view of the sonar screen. Auto SpyLock automatically places a target at the user-specified range and locks onto it. The auto range setting places the auto-locked target within the beam at a percentage from 0 to 100%. For example, a live scope range of 100 feet in forward mode and range setting to 50% will auto-lock onto targets within 100-foot beam at 50 feet. 25% at 100 feet would auto-lock 25 feet. You can also use SpyLock to set or use an existing waypoint. Select the waypoint on either the chart or sonar screen. Then, select the SpyLock icon to lock the waypoint target. SpyLock even works on your sonar view. Mark the direct focus point. Press the SpyLock icon. The Spy Pole will be locked onto the selected structure. The next feature is SpyScan. SpyScan enables an oscillating sweep of the Spy Pole and gives the user controls over scan behaviors like angle, speed, and starting direction. SpyScan does not require calibration. This will be available out of the box when deployed. Angle will be the width of the scan in degrees from 0 to 260 degrees. Speed can be adjusted from 1 to 10, with 1 being the slowest scan and 10 being the fastest scan. Starting direction has many different options. Active direction is the current direction the Spy Pole is facing. Port will sweep to the left side of the boat. Starboard will sweep to the right side of your boat. Bow will sweep the front of your boat. Stern will sweep the back of your boat. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit marinesupport.garmin.com.